Okay guys, we're going to go back to market. Flick this over. Just whack this in. 12 pips. Kabush. Job's done. Well, I hope I press the bloody button. There we go. We're now going to enter on here and we're going to get out here. Now I've already been into this market this morning. There's another video which is very similar to this one, so if you check that you'll see the response to it. Now this is following on from the 12 pip video. Do it twice and it'll pay you. Right, well, this is second bite of the cherry. 12 pips, pound JPY. We've already been in once there. Bloody hell, I don't know if you can hear that, but it is absolutely pounding down. So no painting the wall today. She's got a painty clothes on today because she thinks she's going to go painting.
Not today.
But let's have a look. See that? She's normally nice and elegant, right? But she got a painty stuff on because she's on doing the house because we're getting a value today. Which means, and if you think for a second I'm doing what we did in this house in the second house, you are kidding me. You know, look up there. 12 pips equals cash. I've got cash, so that equals tits. Honk honk. No pips means big forearm on little Willie. Let you lot work out who that is.
Really?
Well, big forearm. Little Willie.
I know.
Well, it's because they wore the Willie out and the big forearm.
Behave. Honestly.
Bing bang boo. Bing bang boo. Right, I'm going to show you something very quickly. I'll just pause a second while I fire this up. Give us a sec. Okay. Just pull this back in. We're working out in another video what 12 pips can give you. Now, depending on your position size, I'm actually going in at a 5. Let's just say you've got 10 grand as your account. That means you can go up to 10 quid, 2 lots, or 1 lot rather, 2 positions of a 5er, 5 or 2 quid, whatever. Average trade win is 12 and you do it twice a day. That'll give you a yearly salary of 57 grand. Just by doing this twice. It ain't difficult, guys. It ain't difficult. Now, sometimes you get it timed wrong and you sort of think, oh my God, what's going on here? Well, the premise of what I'm looking at hasn't really changed. So I can now scale into this. You know, I can put a position size and put another position on here, but I only want to get it to there. So I'll do that as well. I'll put some extra positions in. Let me just adjust my madness profile. Just move that to there. And I want to pull that down onto there. So that gets done. Just shift that up onto there. Pull that down. Bish bash bosh. Right. Job's done. All right. I've already got enough banked to pretty much pay off my losses. So I'm using bank money to pay for this. So I'm not that worried. It's all about getting your risk profiles down. The little sheet that I showed you is really just working out what can be done. Now, let me just pull that back into shot a second while that's playing out. Let's just say you've only got 1,000 quid. All right. So that means your maximum size is about £1. You've got an average win of 10 pips. And you're only going to trade it once a day. Right? Well, from 1,000 quid to tenner a day, 50 quid, 200 a month, 2,400 per year. Well, would that not pay for Christmas? Would that not pay a holiday? Do you want to go on holiday?
We're going on holiday.
Well, I know I'm going on holiday at the end of the month, but I mean, do you want to book another one?
If you want, yeah.
Good girl. You get that book, girl. Go on. Get that gold bikini. Honk honk. I'm knackered. I didn't get to bed at 3:30 this morning.
Well, you got up. It's your fault.
I know, but my mind was whirring and dickheads were getting on my nerves and needed to prove a point, and I did prove a point, and I'm right. Again. Honk honk. Right. But let's just say you're having a good time and you got 2,000. Right? Well, that's £2. Suddenly you're there. You got 4 grand. You got 9,600. Okay. What if you've got £10,000 as an investment? You're now earning 24 grand a year from one trade. 10 pips. This is where trading becomes really interesting and not difficult. If you're compounding your worth, you don't need to be swinging all the time. So, to get that out the way, we'll play this out. Alright, it's 100 quid against me, so what? Not really bothered, because it's all staged and I know where I'm getting out. So let's see if we can get our 12 pips, then I'm done for the day. Catch you in a bit. Well, blow me down with a feather. Oops, I've done it again. There was a video earlier on of me doing 12 pips. And as I was kind of trying to explain in a couple of videos prior, 12 pips, doing it a couple of times a day, can pay you. Oh, let's get that ticket off before I forget. So, tickets out. There you go, 120 quid. Job's done. Kabush. That was done on £5 a point. So you're looking at roughly 5 grand to do that. There you go. 12 pips. Done it twice. Do that each day. It's 28 grand. I can't make trading any simpler than this, guys. I really can't. Maybe it's been a bit pedantic, I don't know. But I just want to show you it's possible. I'm done for the day. I'm going to go watch Star Wars. Sit in front of the fire. And that's it. And it's 11 o'clock. Sorted. Catch you all in the next one.